Hey Graham, can you tell us what's going on out here?
Hi. We got the flat down here.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
You need to move out of the way.
Hey, put it up under the lower control arm up front.
Huh? It's fine. I can't. Matthew's trying to stick his head up under there where I can't turn the thing up.
Is that the right place?
Oh, what fun.
I don't know. Depends if the wheel will get off the ground with the suspension.
Or the
I'd have been better putting it under the control arm.
something.
I mean, have you even loosened the lug nuts yet? Yeah, they're loose. They are. Good. Take it off.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh,
You can't make this stuff up.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the
Do you know the words in jingle all the way?
is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Follow mommy.
O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Ha, ha, ha.
Who knew there was carolers? Oh, look at this guy.
La, 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 woo, woo, woo. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun is this to sing a one-horse song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what
Daddy,
fun
you ready to
it is
move
ride
tonight?
in a one-horse
What?
The neighbors are going to want you out in the neighborhood after this.
What Christmas is all about?
This is
Chris Wall's family Christmas.
That's right.
Shitter's full.
Here we are standing out in front of the house.
That's so sad.
Listen, what other Christmas song do we know? Frosty the Snowman.
I'm a jolly
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, jolly fellow.
All right, let's use our inside voices. Inside voices. Hey, inside voices, kids. Inside voices.
Frosty
It is like
the
10:30.
Snowman was a happy,
Okay, there, there's the
and
inside
he
voice.
came to stay one frosty.
It's all relatives.
Dun, 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 dun.
it actually goes to your house. And they're all your relatives.
Must have been a frosty night when Frosty
Now we're making up words.
said,
I can get out of
"Frosty,
this.
with your nose so bright, why
Inside
don't
voice, Sharon,
you
inside
dye
voice.
my sleigh tonight?"
Inside voice.
Mwah.
Inside voice.
What?
Don't
Inside
scare the
voice?
children.
Yeah. This isn't NASCAR.
This is Christmas.
If so, they'd have the tire change a lot
Oh my
faster.
God. Wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Does Todd and Margot live over there?
You know what?
Apparently they do.
They're very similar.
They've got a Grinch in their front yard. I mean,
Yeah.
that probably tells a lot.
How disgusting.
Graham, get over here.
Yeah, go over there and knock that son of a bitch down. Are they Todd and Margot?
Graham, come here.
No, fuck. It's Christmas.
Hey, hey.
It's Christmas.
Kid's out of control. Whose kid is that?
What is it? 9:15. Are they really like Todd and Margot?
No. They do have a little baby.
She's having fun and they're sound fucking sick. Yeah, give it a
Graham,
break.
come here. Stay out of their yard, okay? Okay? He moved?
Graham.
I don't know, Karen. You probably should have called AAA.
I know.
Where's AAA? I'm still waiting on them.
They're coming down the street right now.
Oh wait, I think I just saw him.
They would have been here.
Hey, I need a rotation.
Oh,
you do that?
thank you.
Need a what?
A tire rotation.
Yeah.
Michael.
What?
I'm still waiting.
Don't.
There you go, buddy.
Hey, Graham, stay over here.
He needs help. Help your daddy.
Hey, go help your dad.
I told him, I said, don't scream, but go run right around that dadgum. Are you photographing? Yeah, get him.
Oh, yeah. And they...
Run around, Graham.
And Eddie couldn't read, could he?
Don't scream.
Paige.
You know, Danny had a ratchet here. You could have borrowed that.
That's right.
No, that you don't want to leave your mother-in-law stranded.
No, I don't want to do
I
that.
don't say you got enough air in it.
Especially because she told me she's been driving for 20 years and knows how to get out of a parking spot, which she doesn't. So.
You are timing.
Don't go over 55.
Okay,
We'll follow her.
I'm serious.
okay.
Don't go over 55.
We're gonna be behind you.
Yeah, we'll follow her.
The donut.
Michael, why is that going down?
I seen one.
It is going
Danny.
down.
Yeah.
Go get your air compressor.
He doesn't need to do
We
that.
need to put air in it.
Well, she's gonna have to pull in the driveway to do it.
Oh,
Why?
No, it's flat.
It's not.
have
It's
an
not.
air
It's not gonna reach this far.
do you have an air
Well, you know what? Yeah, it will.
It's
You
done.
got an extension cord?